Today, we're going to check out a new feature that will streamline your process for creating uplifts on discounts. So let's check it out. Hey there, Zach from Fast Tracks with another quick Fast Tracks fact. Let's say you were running a buy 3 get 1 free discount. If you wanted to let the customer know about it when they purchased 1 or 2 qualifying items, to incentivize them to purchase more, you would create the discount, set up the items on that discount, then create the uplift separately and set the items up on it. We came to the same conclusion you did. That's not very efficient, so we streamlined the process. In Control Center, head over to Point of Sale, Price Book, Discounts. And you'll see when adding or editing a discount, there's a tab captioned Uplift Configuration. From here, you can quickly create an uplift tied to the discount. So you'll define when to trigger it, like when 1 qualifying item is on the sale or when all but one's on the sale. You'll set the clerk message or the script that appears for the cashier to read. And finally, set the advertisement that appears on the CFD. This can be an existing ad you've created via AdPro, or you can directly upload an image from right here. The uplift will be created and tied to the discount. And since you've already defined the trigger items of the discount, the uplift knows which ones to use. And this definitely simplifies the process and hopefully will help you engage more customers with our uplift module. So, thanks for watching and get to work supercharging your discounts with uplifts. Take care.